Today I'm showing you this 3-in-1 charger for your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch. How's this going to work, do you think? Well, it comes like this. This is the top. You have to turn it over, pull out this big charger. It goes like this, then we flip it. And then your phone will sit, right there. Now I don't have an actual phone to show you, but you can see this is how you could go this way or this way, any direction. It just switches, will switch all around. So while your phone is sitting back here, your Apple Watch can sit right here on its little perch. Just like that. And if you had some iPods, which I don't, it would go right here and they would just lay flat and wirelessly charge. Now this is the cord it comes with to charge, which has got this very convenient 90-degree angle plug that goes in the side, and this one goes in the wall. They are both USB-C, so you will need a USB-C charger block. And here we have it plugged in. When it's charging, there's usually a little light right there. So now we can see there's a light, and then we can see, I'll take this off, move this out of the way. You can see the Apple Watch is charging right here. Just sits right there and charges. It's magnetic. And it's really great for traveling because you can take this with you and it will just fold up like this and it's ready to go. This unit itself does not charge. It does not have its own power source. It always needs to be charged in. But I think it's a great buy and it makes, like I said, traveling easier. It's got a really nice modern design. This sits on my white table. You can barely see it. And I love having my phone like this at night because it turns into like a little bedside clock. So I highly recommend this if you're needing something to charge all three things, or even just two like me, because I only need the Apple Watch and the iPhone.